Let me show you how to set up a fingerprint on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. So go to settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Tap on that. Now you need to have set up screen lock before you can set up a fingerprint. So if you've not set up screen lock first, then first of all, go ahead and set one up. Now you can see mine is on, so I can go straight to fingerprint and lock. It's going to check security issues, ask me to put in my password, PIN, or pattern. I'm going to enter it, and then now it's going to give us this to record our fingerprint. So tap on record, tap on agree, screen protector tip, got it. Now let's place our finger on this fingerprint scanner. So basically it wants you to just swirl your finger on top and then tap on done. Simple as that. And that fingerprint is registered as fingerprint 1. Of course, if you want to, you can add a fingerprint and put in another finger, or you can even redo the same fingerprint. Or you can even add the fingerprint of someone you're sharing your phone with so that they can be able to also gain access to the phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck. That fingerprint is quick as well.